How to reset ego battery. So if your ego battery won't charge, keeps flashing the red and the green, the battery management system may have entered into the protection mode. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can wake it up and restore charging safely. So on the ego power plus battery, the solid red usually means overheating. If the red light is flashing, it can indicate the battery fault. The red and the green alternating often means communication or the BMS protection mode. So these codes are going to first of all help you identify whether the issue is temperature, voltage or charging related. Now if the battery was stored in the extreme heat or cold, let it sit at the room temperature for about 30 to 45 minutes before charging it again. The internal BMS blocks the charging outside safe temperature ranges. You can also remove the battery from the charger and then you can just simply press this particular button, which is the power indicator button, several times. Then place it back on the charger firmly until it clicks fully into the place. Some of the deeply discharged ego batteries need multiple resets before the BMS responds. You can also check the metal terminals on both the battery and the charger. Sometimes the dust, corrosion or moisture can interrupt the communication and then trigger the flashing lights. So you can clean gently with the help of a dry cloth only. So these steps are going to fix many of the ego battery charging and the flashing light problems safely. Thank you.